Good morning, everyone. It is 7:08 in the morning. I just fed little baby bear and got her all changed. And Matthew's in the shower and he's getting ready to go to work, and Lee's leaving us here all day. And I just fed her. I just changed her. Ignore my hair and the fact that I'm wearing yesterday's makeup. I did not have time, or I forgot, or whatever. I fell asleep before I could take it off. So anyway, that's our morning so far. I think I'm going to try to lay down and get a little bit more sleep and see where the day brings us. Alright guys, it is now, what time? It's about 8 o'clock. And I decided not to try to go back to sleep. I decided to go ahead and get up and start getting ready for the day. Starting with cleaning my room. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is a hot mess. There's just crap everywhere, and there's a kitty. Baby girl's sleeping over there on the other side of the bed in her rock and play. And yeah, ready to get the day started. Alright guys, so I've made it out of the bedroom. Now I work my way to the kitchen, and baby girl is here with me. She's just sweeping in her little rock and play. Yeah. And I'm going to clean this mess of a kitchen. So, and then I'm going to, after I get the kitchen cleaned, I'm going to work on some breakfast. I think I want to make myself some oatmeal. So, okay, it is 8:36 now. I'm making my oats, and I think there is a little girl over here who's starting to wake up. Is she getting hungry? Are you getting hungry, baby girl? No. Yeah, baby girl's getting hungry. Look at her. She needs some dinner. Some breakfast, I mean. Okay, so I'm going to take her up, feed her, and try to cook myself breakfast. And we'll see how this goes. She always is hungry. Anytime that I'm trying to eat, she wants to eat. So, a surefire way to wake her up is to fix myself something to eat. And I swear in 5 minutes she'll be awake wanting to eat. So, I guess I'm going to feed baby girl. Okay, so I finished my oats. I'm having oatmeal with a little bit of strawberries and brown sugar mixed in, watching Parenthood on Netflix. And this little girl, I think she might let me eat. I think she's going to be okay with just... What's on your nose? I think she's going to be okay with... No, look at that smile. Oh, so pretty. Mommy caught a smile. Oh, I think she's going to let me eat before she demands to be fed. And then look at this little kitten right here. Alright, little one is here eating breakfast. And I just thought that I would take a second and show you guys exactly what our night looks like last night. Okay, so she fed, actually before that, I fed her right whenever I went to bed at about 9 o'clock. And then again at 11:15, then again at 1, then again at 3:30. Then I had to pump at 3:48 because she only took one boob. And then she woke up at about 5 o'clock to eat again, about 6:45 to eat again, and then again at... Oh no, that's the same time. So, yeah. That was what our night was like last night, and that's about how it is every night. She eats every hour and a half to 2 hours around the clock. So, Mama is tired. So, but it's okay. She's worth it. At least I'm just really happy because she figured out how to breastfeed again. Oops. She figured out how to breastfeed, and I'm really happy. I went and saw the lactation consultant, and she helped us. We figured out that it was her latch that was wrong. So we got the latch fixed, and now she is a booby monster. Okay, well, I just fed little one here, and and now I'm going to change her and get her dressed. I think it's supposed to be warm today, so I'm just going to put her in this little onesie and then wrap her up in these little blankets again until it gets warmer. So I don't think we're going anywhere today, so we're just going to be comfy casual here, aren't we? Yes. So anyway, diaper change number 1 for today so far. So little one's all dressed, and she's mad at me. She hates getting her diaper changed, and she hates getting dressed. But she's doing okay now. Got her dressed. I'm gonna wrap her in a warm blanket, and then put some lotion on her, didn't I? Did we put some lotion on baby girl? And now, I think Mama's gonna try to get ready. Yeah. Oh. 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 And now I think it's Mama's turn to get ready, huh? You gonna be good so I can take a shower? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so Daddy is at work today, so whenever he goes to work, this is what I do in order to take a shower. I like bring her little thing in here and set it in the bathroom, and that way I can keep it on her and she's not alone. So I just take a shower and watch the baby. And I'm going to try to do that right now. She seems pretty content. Oh, she got the hiccups, isn't she? Did you get the hiccups? She gets the hiccups all the time, guys. Oh. 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 Yeah, she gets the hiccups all the time. So she seems pretty content. She has her belly full and clean diaper and clean outfit and everything. So hopefully she sits here and either falls asleep or just hangs out while I take a shower. Okay, so I had just changed the baby, went in, took a shower, got out of the shower, was getting dressed, and in that time I heard her take another poop. So we are back up here for diaper change number 2 of the day. So this little one decided it was time to eat again, and it is only 9:46. Her last feeding was at 8:58, so I don't know, man. I think she's going through a growth spurt or what, but at this rate, we are going to be feeding all day. Feeding and changing diapers all day, aren't we? So I had really high intentions of actually drying and fixing my hair today, but now that I'm at that point, I kind of decided against it. I'm just going to tie my hair up, wet and everything. Mom status, who cares? Alright, hey everybody, I made my way downstairs to the basement. I just filmed a 1 and 2 week update on baby girl and a little bit about my postpartum recovery. I'm filming this right here on my cell phone because my video camera battery decided to crap out. So I'm charging that right now, and I'm sitting downstairs. I thought that I would do, I'm watching Parenthood, and there's baby girl, she's sleeping, and here's one of my cats, and here I'm charging my camera, and I'm going to start editing the video from this morning. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. It's 11 a.m. at the moment. So alright, well, it is now 11:30, and this little girl just nursed a little bit, and I'll ignore my junk food over here. And now she just took another poopy. So we're going to go change diaper number 3 for today. Aren't we? Aren't we, little one? Her skin color looks really, like, her face looks red on this camera, but it's not. I don't know why it's coming up like that. Anyway, diaper number 3, I guess. So, I tried to change her diaper downstairs, and, baby girl peed all over everything. I got midway through diaper change, and she peed all over herself and both blankets. So, we're upstairs going to do an outfit change, which is fine anyway, because downstairs it's a little bit colder, and I thought that, I mean, she looks cold anyway. She feels warm, but I don't know. I think she needs to have something on long sleeve. So, that's what we're doing.